Hi, how are you doing? I hope you are all doing well. We thank God. We are back again to continue with our mathematics lesson. Last time, what have you learned? Last time we have learned about fractions, is it not so? And what was the subtopic? We discussed what a reciprocal of a fraction is. We have said that reciprocal of a fraction is the same as multiplicative inverse of a fraction. Is it not so? We have learned how to get how to get a reciprocal of a fraction. We have said that if a over b is a fraction, then the reciprocal of that fraction will be b over a. Is it not so? Very good. And we did some assignments. We did a lot of activities. Today, we are going to apply the knowledge we got on reciprocal of a fraction to continue the lesson. So let's see today's lesson. Today's lesson, we are going to look at division of whole numbers by fractions. Division of whole numbers by fractions. And I said earlier on that we are going to use the knowledge we got on reciprocal of a fraction. Is it not so? So in the next activity or slide, we are going to see the reason why I'm saying that. How do we divide a whole number by a fraction? To divide a whole number by a fraction, we have to multiply the whole number, okay, by the reciprocal of the fraction. Are you here? Let's look at the example. Example 1. 4, if they say 4 divided by 2 out of 3 or 2/3, it means you are going to multiply 4 by the inverse, multiplicative inverse, which is the reciprocal of 2/3. It becomes 2 over 3 over 2. Let me show it to you all. This is the fraction. This is the whole number. And our operation is what? Division. And we are saying that when we are dividing a whole number by a fraction, multiply the whole number, which is 4 here, by the reciprocal of the fraction. This is the fraction. The reciprocal of 2 over 3 is 3 over 2. That's what we got here. And we have learned that when multiplying a number, now multiplication became 4 times 3 over 2. Is it not so? Earlier on, we learned that to multiply a number by a fraction or fraction by a fraction, we just multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So it is clear to you that 4 is the same as 4 over 1, true or false. So we are multiplying the numerators, which is what? 4 times 3 will give us what? 12. And then 2 times 1 will give us what? 2. If I should continue, you tell me that 12 divided by 2, or if you cancel 12 by 2 and 2 by 2, we will get what? 6. That's why our answer is 6 over here. You get it? Très bien. Very good. So let's look at the next example. Example 2. Whenever they say divide 8 by 2 over 9, it is the same as, it means you are going to multiply the 8, okay, by the inverse of this fraction. The multiplicative inverse of this fraction, which is 9 out of 2. And if you do so, you are going to get 36. Okay, so now let's look at the next level. We are going to do some of the activities so that we can also do some in our various house. Look at activities number 1. Here, you are going to simplify this for me, okay? Let's pick this 35. Okay, your question may be 35 divided by 5/7. The first thing to do is to rewrite the whole number. Now it becomes a multiplication. Then the 7 will go at the top and the 5 will be at the bottom. That's the reciprocal of 5/7. We have learned last time that we just send the denominator at the top and the numerator will come at the bottom. Is it not so? Very good. So with this one, we have learned that it's the same as 35/1. And now the multiplication, it is so easy to do. We are going to do 35 times 7 and then 1 times 5. Is it not so? So don't you think that we can do some simplification here? Yes, we can do some. Let's see whether 5 can go into 35. How many times? 7 times. Is it not so? So you write, and then 5 also can go into 5. How many times? Once. So now we are having 7 times 7/1 times 1. And we have learned that 7, the top will be 7 times 9 is what? 49. The denominator is what? 1. Will you leave your answer like that? No. If you do it like that, there's a problem, because I told you that we don't write that one there. So you have to conclude your work by saying that 35, okay, 35 divided by 5/7 is giving us 49. Then you get your answer correct. Are you following? Very good. We shall do another one right now so that you'll be used to it. Okay, let's see this. 6 divided by 2/15. As you have seen this, don't be in hurry to answer. Don't be in haste. Okay, so look at this one. We have said that we keep the whole number, which becomes 6/1. Now the division sign will become multiplication, but then you have to find the multiplicative inverse of this, which is the same as reciprocal of 2/15. That one will become what? That one will become 15/2. Is it not so? So we multiply the numerators and we multiply the denominators. Usual thing that we have been doing. The next level, check whether you can simplify. If you do the multiplication, it will become big. So find out whether you can simplify some, because it's multiplication. Okay, if there's something that you can simplify before you continue with the calculation. Okay, so as we are talking, someone is saying over there that I can simplify 6 by 2, then I will get 3, and then I can simplify 2 by 2. Okay, and then I will get what? 1. So meaning 2 can go into 6 3 times, and then 2 can go into 2 once. Is it not so? So we are now having 3 times 15 all over 1 times 1. Are you there? Very good. Then we shall multiply what's at the top. 15. Somebody say difficult. It's not difficult. 15 times 3. 3 times 5 is giving what? 15. Then you put the it's supposed to be 15. So you carry 1 there. Carried 1. Are you okay? 3 times 1 is what? 3 plus 1. Is it not 4? So we are now having 45. So now we are aware that this one will give us 45/1, and we said that we shouldn't keep our final answer like this. Whenever there's 1 at the bottom, the same as if you have 45/1, the same as 45. From there you can conclude your work by saying that, go back to the question. The question is saying 6 divided by 2/15. Then the answer is 45. The answer is 45. Congrats. Well done. Okay, so class, today we have learned the thing is so simple, but we have learned a lot. So at home we are going to do these activities for me. Okay, we are going to simplify 38, okay, divided by 19 over 5, and then 21 divided by 3 over 4, and then 45 divided by 15 over 1. Oh, that's all. That is all. Is it difficult? I'm not sure. So please go over the notes and make sure you get all correct. Stay safe. See you next time.